Yes guys, we are checking our sandwich maker machines. We got complaints that it is giving shock and not working properly. Heat is not giving, so that we removed bottom side cover and top side covers. We checked, we are removing cover, which found that downside we have wires which were burned. You can see top side also one wire was disconnected. We are just joint this wire now, and after that from the top side we will connect it. So what heat proof sleeve will be on the wires, and after that we will fix it back. So you can see two wires were heated, and now we are fixing it.